Hi, it's Diane from So Charming Quilts, and I just wanted to share a tip and a trick with you on our stained glass quilt. It is our Kona Cotton solids quilt for the month of April, and we have been busy constructing all the blocks with our sashing and then our sashing rows. But now it's time to put our actual quilt together, and I wanted to show you what has been working for me. I took my ruler and I marked along that seam on the back side of my fabric. I did that along each and every section that I did. And then I was able to easily line up those sections with the bottom section. Here's what I'm sewing to, and here's the piece, and I'm going to sew it to this one. So then I can go ahead and I can line those sections up, and I'm putting a pin in there so that it doesn't slip. And then I can go ahead and sew my section down, and hopefully then when I open this up, my sashing will all line up. So let's give that a try. All right, now when I open that up, if I look at that, that's not too bad. It's almost, I can take my ruler and line it up. It is a little bit off, but that could be the fact that my sashing wasn't quite sewn at a perfect 1/4 of an inch stitch. But I think with some pressing that those pieces will line up nicely. And I just want to show you that I did quite a few sections of the bottom of my quilt. Oops. And you can see how all of my sashing is lining up by using that marking technique. I can go through and look. You can see my faint lines where they lined up. So I'm going to continue to use this technique through the rest of my quilt, and we'll come back and show you what the finished quilt looks like. Thanks for joining.